Hey, what's going on, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to do a quick Tesla install here, and it will enhance your Tesla's appearance and experience, and I'm starting right now. So we're going to go and open up the box here, and as you can see, everything is very nicely packaged. So we do have two door sills here, and under here it looked like we have more of the kit and the directions, and also you do have some gloves in the packet that will keep everything nice and tidy. You can get this over on the Tesla's website for $250, or something even better, you can get this on evbase.com for $129, but then you take off an additional 20% when you use the special promo code JustFrugalMe at checkout. But not only for the illuminated door sills, you can get any accessory for your Tesla or EV over at evbase.com when you use the special promo code JustFrugalMe at checkout. So the first thing that we want to do with this installation is to mark where the existing door sill is. So we do have stickers that come here. It's labeled right here. It says right, over here it says left. So we're going to go on and pull off. We're going to mark where the existing sill is. Now, after that step is complete, we're going to go get just a regular hair dryer. We want to apply heat to this, and that way that adhesive will become loose, making it easier to pull up. So we're just going to go on and turn on our blow dryer about for a minute, and we're just going to go through, and I'm actually going to run it on high. All right, so now that we're going to go on and finish, it's been about a minute since we applied heat on high. We're going to go on and turn it off. Now, this is what some people might consider the fun part. We're going to take this crowbar looking tool that came with, and we're going to get up under there, and we are just going to get just a little bit and just slide it around. And now the adhesive, as you can see, it is going right up under there, and we're just going to go right across. And here we want to go on and take off the gloves. That's what it's calling for. And it's telling us just to peel it right on up. So as you can see under here now, you have a lot of gunk and goo. So we're going to go back and take this tool, and we're just going to scrape off as much glue and things as we can. Afterwards, we're going to take a microfiber towel, and I just have some regular rubbing alcohol I'm going to apply on there. And now I'm just going to wipe it down just to get any remaining residue off, because once we put on the new one, we want to make sure that we get great adhesion, that we don't get any of that gunk or grit that will be stuck under there. So we're just going to wipe this off very well. So after which, I am going to take the alcohol towel that comes with it just to finish it off. We're going to take the new sill here. We're going to leave on the plastic for now, because it is going to tell us where to put the other piece on the door. So we're just going to go on and flip it over, peel off the red adhesive tape slowly, because we don't want anything on there to tear off. And from there, we're going to make sure that's spread open on this side, and slowly. And the reason I say slowly, because we want to make sure that we are not rushing, because we want to get it on there straight. And once we line it up, because this is very sticky, so we want to make sure that we get it as straight as we can and as perfect as can, then we're just going to push it on. Simple as that. And we are going to then remove the stickers that we place, because once it's on there, we have a long process in order to get that off. So now we know it's on there for good. All right, so after we finish that part, I'm on the driver's side. So this will be your left side of the car, and you have some stickers that look like this. This is pretty much your speaker right here. So I am going to come over here on my speaker, and I'm not sure if you can see with the contrast and colors here on the camera, but this right here is the speaker. So I'm going to come over here where it says number 1. I'm going to peel this off, and I am going to line this up right there on the speaker. then I am going to push it under there. So on the underside of the door, this is how it's going to look. And then we're going to come over here where it's number 2, and we are going to again line it up, right arrow to the arrow. So you have an arrow right there, and we're going to take the arrow right here and line it right on up. So you can see under the door here, we have the arrow here and we have the arrow here, and they're kind of touching. Then you're going to look into the packet here that comes with the activator that turn on the light. I'm going to take the adhesive off here, if you can see this on the camera. And from there, we want to make sure we're not going to touch it. And it is almost like a flat side and a round side. So we're taking this flat side, and then we are just going to line it up and stick it right on. So after it's there, we're safe to go on and remove these other stickers. This is the new one right here. That's just a dirty thing. So we're just gonna wipe that off, and you can see right now the light is off. I'm gonna go on and close the door. And now let's go on and open the door, and let's see if it worked. Yes, the light is on. So as you can see now, it's going to say Model Y. And it appears that this will stay on just for a few seconds. Now that we have it installed on the driver's side, we're just going to move on over to the passenger side and repeat the same process. All right, so this is the passenger side. I just installed it, but I know it's probably somebody that want to actually see the passenger side. But if you want to see how to install it, again, just rewind the video and repeat the same steps. But I'm going to open up the passenger door, and you can see here, it is now illuminated. See, Model Y. There we go. And this is on the passenger's door. And also you can check out the top video right over there for more accessories for your Tesla. The other video down there, all things related to your Tesla and your money. And I will see you in the next video.